Welcome to another episode in Kotlin programming tutorial series. In this episode we are going to install some IDE for Kotlin programming. You can use IDEs like Eclipse, Android Studio or Intellij IDE from JetBrains for Kotlin programming. So for this tutorial series we are going to use the Intellij IDE from JetBrains. So we need to download Intellij IDE from JetBrains. Download Intellij Idea IDE download. Go to the official website of JetBrains. You can download the community version of Intellij IDE. It is free and open source. Download it. Okay, now the IDE's download finishes. Now we can install it. Click next. And I'm going to install it in E drive of my computer. And click next. Click next. So here I need a desktop icon for 64-bit launcher, and click next. Click install. Okay, now the IDE installation finishes. Click finish. Now we can start the IDE. Do not import settings. Click OK. From here you can choose the default theme for the IDE. Here you have two themes, Darkula and Light. I select Light. Click next. Don't need to change anything here. Click next. And click start using Intellij IDE. So now we successfully installed the Intellij Idea IDE for Kotlin programming.